Hello everybody, this is Mrs. Simon and welcome to this year's library scavenger hunt. Because we are doing a lot of online learning this year, we thought it would be a good idea to have a virtual library scavenger hunt. You might be surprised at all the amazing things that our library offers online. So the first thing you're going to need to do to complete the scavenger hunt is go to the Prescott School District website. And you want to click on our schools, Prescott High School, and that brings you to the specific page for the high school. On the left-hand side under Quick Links, you will see Library Media Center. Click on that link. You know you're in the right place if you see my name and Mrs. Severson's name. This is the home page of the library page, and this is where your first items to locate on your scavenger hunt will be found. You want to click on Surpass Online High School Library Catalog. This is new. You can now search for items in our library online. This is what it looks like when you come to the search page. There's lots of good information on here. You can search for specific titles, authors. You can do a little bit of a search looking for a series. If you know you just want to read fantasy or you want to read a sports book, something like that, you can click on Explore and it will give you some book ideas. I'm going to go back to the home page. You also will see things that are new in the library, popular titles, things people have picked out. And so it is a very nice tool for you if you would like to look for books when you are not here at school or in the library. So I'm going to give you an example of what happens when you search. We're going to search for Hunger Games. The search results are telling me that yes, we have the Hunger Games series. Catching Fire came up because it's part of the Hunger Games series. We have, right here you can see that we have an audio version of it available. And because it says available right here, the book is available. We do have Hunger Games. We can see who the author is under the title. So Suzanne Collins is the author of the Hunger Games series. We can see where it is on the shelves. Fiction, C-O-L, and it's in the fantasy section, F-A-N. If it was a nonfiction book, it would have a number, and then we would know it's on the shelf in that area of call letters, call numbers. And we can also see if it's here or not. All of these are available. They say available right here. If it was checked out, I'm going to give you an example of what it would look like. If it was checked out, we are going to search for Woodsong by Gary Paulson, everyone's favorite. Woodsong, you can tell our library has it. It was written by Gary Paulson, but you'll see right here it's checked out. It's not available. It's due on November 11th. Sometimes it'll say overdue. That means it's checked out and that person needs to bring it back because it is overdue. You can select add to list. You can make a list of books and you can even hold books. If you choose to hold books, shoot Mrs. Severson or I an email. We have to create a specific account for you to do that. If you want, and you're not at school and you want to check out books, you can still email Mrs. Severson or I, and our emails are on the home page of the library site, and we will happily pull books and get them put together for you to take home or use. One last thing, when you go back to the home page of our Surpass system, you'll see down at the bottom, Sora. Sora is our brand new collection of ebooks and audiobooks. Stay tuned, check out the next video so that I can show you how to access those. Thank you and have a good day.